Last month, we looked at reasons trucks are the way to go for your vehicle purchase. Time now we give cars their chance. GlobalCarsBrands.com gives a list of why cars should be considered. First, normally cars are easier to drive on normal roads, being they are more compact and have low ground clearance. Convenience. Many cars offer ample space for more passengers and even come with extra trunk space. Car seats, strollers, and even your pets are no problem. We'll add very few times is there more than one person in a car, and it's very seldom you ever need to drive more than one passenger. Gas mileage. Most every car has way better gas mileage than virtually all trucks and SUVs. Variety. Having a larger variety of cars to choose from compared to trucks gives you a better chance at getting a better deal. Privacy. Privacy for your items in your trunk makes it one of the best features of having a car. Parking. Parking is a piece of cake compared to trucks. And lastly, creativity. Sure, trucks can look great, but cars sure can as well.
Come see us at Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros. Ask us about our tire promotions. We can help. Come see us.